Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to add another clock on your iOS 17. So, if you wish to know time in any other city or country in the world, all you have to do is to open your clock, switch to world clock. So here we've got one from the cities that we've got access to. If you want to add any other, tap on plus and you can either search it or you can scroll all the way down and pick the one that you want to use. So here is your current hour, and then here you've got the hours for particular series that you picked. And this is it. Whenever you wish to remove something, just tap on edit and mark minus, select delete, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.